Welcome to back my YouTube channel Auto Drive 1 title, unveiling the Maruti Suzuki Alto, a perfect ride for everyday driving, Auto Drive 1. Introduction. Welcome back to Auto Drive 1. Today, we're going to explore one of the most popular compact cars in India, the Maruti Suzuki Alto. A car that has captured the hearts of millions. The Alto is renowned for its affordability, practicality, and reliability. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking for a daily commuter, the Alto has a lot to offer. So let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes this little car such a big deal on Indian roads. 1. Design and exterior. The Maruti Suzuki Alto's design is simple, compact, and efficient. It may not boast the sporty aesthetics of some of its competitors, but its straightforward design makes it incredibly functional for city driving. The front grille is sleek, the headlights are modern and well-shaped, and the overall silhouette remains true to its compact hatchback roots. The Alto's small size gives it an edge in urban environments, where maneuverability and parking space are often at a premium. It's designed to zip through narrow lanes and crowded streets, making it ideal for city commuters. 2. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Maruti Suzuki Alto is powered by a 0.8-litre petrol engine, in the standard variant, with an option for a more powerful 1.0-litre engine in higher variants. The engine is tuned for efficiency, making the Alto an excellent choice for fuel-conscious drivers. The 0.8 litres engine delivers a decent amount of power, ideal for city driving and daily commutes, while the 1.0 litres engine provides a little more punch for those who want a slightly higher performance. The Alto's compact frame and responsive steering make it easy to drive, with excellent maneuverability even in the tightest of spots. 3. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside the Maruti Suzuki Alto, you'll find that it's more spacious than its exterior suggests. The cabin is practical, with a functional layout and easy-to-use controls. While it's not a luxury vehicle, it offers everything you need for comfortable city driving. The seats are firm but supportive, and the dashboard layout is simple and ergonomic. The Alto offers features like power steering, air conditioning, and a basic infotainment system. Though it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive cars, it's packed with essentials, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. The rear seat can accommodate 2 adults comfortably, making it a great choice for small families or carpooling. 4. Safety features. In terms of safety, the Maruti Suzuki Alto is equipped with basic features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a reinforced body structure that provides enhanced crash protection. The build quality, while not premium, is solid for a budget-friendly car in its segment. Although safety features are basic compared to higher-end models, the Alto still meets the necessary standards for entry-level hatchbacks. 5. Fuel efficiency. One of the strongest selling points of the Maruti Suzuki Alto is its fuel efficiency. Thanks to its small engine and lightweight build, the Alto delivers outstanding mileage, often reaching up to 22 to 24 km/L depending on the variant. This makes it a budget-friendly option for long commutes or daily use, especially for those looking to keep running costs low. 6. Price and value for money. The Maruti Suzuki Alto offers exceptional value for money. With its affordable price tag, excellent fuel economy, and reliable performance, it's hard to beat. The Alto is perfect for those on a tight budget or those looking for a dependable daily driver without breaking the bank. It also has a low maintenance cost, which makes it an economical choice in the long run. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Maruti Suzuki Alto continues to be one of the best-selling cars in India, and for good reason. Its compact size, fuel efficiency, practical features, and affordability make it a standout choice in the budget car segment. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a student, or someone simply looking for an efficient commuter vehicle, the Alto is worth considering. That's it for today's review on the Maruti Suzuki Alto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Drive 1 for more car reviews, insights, and driving tips. Let us know in the comments if you've driven the Alto and what your thoughts are on this popular hatchback. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, keep driving.